A very good morning, students. Today we are here to once again revise chapter 2, that is articles and determiners. So, earlier we have read about articles. So, what is the major difference between an article and a determiner? Determiners also modify any particular noun. Articles also do the same, but all determiners are not articles. Article is a part of a determiner. As you have seen in your chart, articles out of the determiners in the list it is given there. Articles A and D, then possessive determiners are there, demonstrative, quantifiers and such like that. Many are there. Now, I will direct go to certain differences between the demonstrative. You all know this, that, these, those, which demonstrates or to indicate anything. Interrogative, to ask questions, which, what, how, these are the words. Now, what is the major differences between the determiners? More, many, much, then few, some, little, these are the words which I want to make you aware. Several mistakes we often because we often confuse, so several mistakes comes out. So, more and many. The major differences between more and many is, more is for uncountable nouns, whereas many is for countable nouns. Just like I have read many books we can count, and more, give me some more tea. So, more means until and unless we are not telling a definite number, it becomes indefinite. So, like that it is the major differences. Similar is the case of much. Much also is uncountable. Much is also regarded as uncountable. Little, the other one little. Give me a little pinch of salt. It is asking, someone is asking you how much, or if anyone asks you or if anyone tells you give me a little pinch of salt, that means what? You have to give some just indefinite quantity. If it was being told give me 4 packets of salt, then it would have been a countable one. Then 4, that number we are going to numerals in that cases. So, numeral is also a part of it. Next comes difference between little and few. Little and few. So, little is for uncountable nouns and few is for countable nouns. So, few students were present here. So, we can count the number of heads of the students. And little, little. I drank little milk today. So, I drank little. So, it is also telling us the indefinite quantity. So, these are the major differences between these words. Then comes some. Some is and few. What more differences comes between these two? What are they? Few describes countable or countable nouns, no doubt. Countable nouns plus less than 5, and some describes also countable nouns but equal or more than 5. So, these are again the major differences between some and few. Few are also countable, some is also countable. These two are both countable nouns, but few is only less than 5% or 5 nouns we can tell, whereas some describes equal to or more than 5. And here more and many, more is for uncountable nouns and many is for countable nouns. Much is also uncountable, whereas little is also uncountable nouns. These all are uncountable nouns also. So, a chart has been given there at one side of it where it is written quantifiers. Quantifiers, few, a little, less, many, much more, these all comes under the category of quantifiers, means telling quantity, but some are telling a definite quantity, some are telling you an indefinite quantity. So, that is only the differences between determiners, the various differences between each and every determiner. And articles are also one of it is a part of a determiner, but all determiners are not articles. That much today. It is better you go through the chapters properly. And as you have written earlier, if any doubts in any chapter, if you are having any doubt in any chapter, let me know that. Thank you.